Connected, updated, at welcome ang lahat. Lagi nakapamilya sa www.abs-cbn.com.
So yun, Robbie, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much to the Mix Interactive people. I love you people.
How was it chatting with your fans?
Sige.
So yun, it was very weird kasi ang dami palang gustong kumausap sa akin. And it's kind of in a weird in a good way because it's kind of, you know, heart pounding at the same time heart melting. You know the feeling that people want to talk to you, people want to see you on their screens, people want to have you as their friend.
You're still not used to girls screaming for you or...
Actually, I'm not used to girls and guys screaming my name because it's hard to admit that I'm one of them. Them, quote unquote, meaning one of the stars here in the Kapamilya network. So, mahirap pa rin aminin na oy, celeb na ako or something like that. Actually, pinaglalaroan ko lang. In a way, I just have fun and use that name to touch other lives.
So, feeling naman na parang maraming girls na gusto magpakamatay for you.
Oo nga.
Muna, masama yun. Pero, I don't know. I mean, before, I was a torpe kid. I was one of those people na they really want someone, but then again, that someone wants other people. Pero yun. Now, I don't know what to say. I mean, it's kinda hard to believe that, I don't know if I can use the term heartthrob, pero thank you so much for appreciating my skills, my talents, and my father and my father's face.
Pero hindi lang naman sila yung naano sa charm mo because even yung PMPC nga, di ba, yun nga, they awarded you as the best new male TV personality.
Well, I've got to admit, I'm very sociable and very ma-PR, yeah. I've got those skills and I think those skills helped me to achieve the award. And I don't know, masyado lang talaga akong friendly.
Anong feeling when you were called up the stage?
Ito nangyari. Like, I was beside Joseph. I was with my former housemates, Joseph and Nicole. Tapos, when the nominees were like being pronounced and announced, like Joseph Elizalde, John Avila, sabi ko, Bruce Cabral, Dr. Hayden ko, mga ganun. Sabi ko, okay, Robbie, you have tough opponents, so you better not expect anything. So ako, ganun lang, sige. Kung sino manalo, congratulations. So sila parang, yes. Gaganon sila, yes, that's gonna be me or something like that. Ako, parang I have the walang pake feeling that time. Not in the sense that wala talaga akong pake. Para lang handa ako tanggapin kung ano naman mangyari. So yun, when my name was announced, parang pakiulit ba? Is it right? Is that me? So yun, parang wow. Yun na naman sabi ko. Lagi ko ginamit yung term na wow, pero wow talaga. Yun talaga yung one of my biggest wows ever.
Nag-thank you speech ka ba?
Yes.
Anong nasabi mo?
Actually,
Nakaganda ka ba ng speech nun?
blanco yung utak ko nun talaga. Sabi ko, thank you. Parang may malaking question mark sa taas. Bakit ako? Well, hindi naman yung tanong Well, kung sino-sino yung papasalamatan ko within the 1 minute duration. Kasi sobrang dami kong gustong pasalamatan.
And nahihiya ka na may makalimutan ka.
Yes. So generalize ko na lang.
Okay.
Were your parents with you that night?
No. Wala silang paki sa akin.
Wala.
No. My parents kasi they were busy that time. So I had to go alone Not naman alone. I was with Nicole.
You're not alone.
Yes,
That's
I was
what
with
picture
Nicole.
said.
Kasi parang na-beat mo si John Avila na, as we all know,
Kapitan Boom,
Kapitan Boom, and
Hunt,
maraming followers, and
Cover
cover
boys.
boys.
Cover boys pala.
So, di ba, parang iba yung dati kasi Hayden ko na meron din naman siya sa
Bello, si
fan
Bello.
base, di ba?
May bello siya.
Yun nga.
May
So,
bello.
ikaw, how does it feel
May
na
bello siya. Ako,
mga heartthrobs talaga tong super...
yeah, so parang ang hirap isipin, at the same time ang sarap isipin. You get my point? Like it's hard to imagine that I really not stomp naman, 'di ba? I really I have overtaken John Avila in terms of the awards and Dr. Hayden ko. At the same time, ang sarap isipin na parang wow, I'm not better. I'm not better than those guys, but at least I'm being recognized.
Kumbaga, yun nga, si John Avila, meron na siyang sariling show. Eh, ikaw, nag-My Girl, parang debut.
Debut lang.
Ano, di ba? Tapos, what more pa sa mga susunod na, ano, di ba? Ano, may gano'n na
Yun.
ba? May anticipate mo na ba yun?
Actually, hindi ko na-anticipate yun kasi the path I'm taking right now is mostly hosting. Pero, I want, just like what Mr. M told me before, you have to be versatile. And I want to fulfill his dream of being versatile. I want to be like Sam Milby. I want to be Piolo. I want to be complete.
Ano ba? Ini-invite mo bang gawin ka endorser na? More or less,
Nalilay
na
out
alam
na
mo
yung mga
na
plans for you.
Ako talaga, just like what I said, I don't, masama man isipin or something like that, hindi ko talaga muna iniisip kung ano yung nasa future. Iniisip ko muna kung ano yung na ngayon, and I just live and have fun with it.
So, ayaw mong pa-pressure na, yun nga dahil, syempre,
I don't want to be compared to other people na, ito, ganyan, ito, plano niya, ganyan. And he's planning to pursue this one. So, ikaw, why don't you pursue this one also? Ako, mahirap isipin kasi I'm also studying. And, yun, parang this industry is my way to have fun, to release my tensions and all, and to be myself.
Mas mabigat ba yung responsibility sa'yo na to be a better host or to be a better actor na after winning an award? Kasi syempre yung expectations, mas
Nakatutok na yung mga
tumataas.
mata sa'yo.
Yes, very so much. very much. Since, yun nga, I've beaten, not naman beaten, the people that recognize me as one of the best people in the industry right now. So, I don't know, pressure, sobrang pressure kasi I have to prove them that I'm worthy of the award. I have to prove them that that they got the best new TV personality in the year of 2008, and I hope not to let them down.
How do you plan to achieve that? Na yun nga, to show them na
Well,
you're deserving of that award.
basically I have fun, and yun lang. Just have fun and ask for flaws regarding your what do you call this, your work, so you can be better lang.